Hold on. Okay, I'm recording now. What RPM are you at?
This is 1283.
1283. Okay. So maybe see the turret turn and moving all axes.
Yeah, 1 second.
Moving Z and Y and all that. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay.
It's a full program. This is the program we run for these parts.
Okay. Did you ever use a tailstock?
Rarely.
You ever use a probe?
All the time.
Okay. Can you show that activating?
I will try to remember.
Okay. In the meantime,